Hey guys, today I'm excited to do an unboxing of a brand new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra phone. The color for this one is called Phantom Black, but the same phone also comes in cream, green, and lavender. And with that said, let's open up the box, and I'm going to try to do this with one hand since I don't have a tripod today. Everything is encased very nicely in the box. We'll take a look at the phone in a second, but I want to see what else there might be in this little compartment. First off, we have a black USB charging cable, and then we also have a tiny silver key to stick into the pinhole that will open up the tray for inserting the SIM card. And there's a Samsung pamphlet which looks to be a quick start guide where they show you how to install your nano SIM card. And then, of course, we have the S23 Ultra phone itself. It's pretty slick, and as expected, I can hold the phone in the palm of my hand with a large 6.8-inch display. And let's take a closer look at it. We have the rear camera in the back, and then on the right side, we have the volume key and the power button. And then on the bottom from left to right, we have a S Pen already inserted into its slot. We have the speaker, we have a USB charging port and audio port, and then we have the SIM card tray. And now let's go ahead and remove the front plastic film. And just as a side note, this phone has 256 gigs of storage capacity with a 100 megapixel camera, and the phone runs on 5G. And now I'm going to press the power button on the side to power it up. Actually, I'm back now because I forgot to show you the S Pen. I actually put this phone into a case, but there's a hole down here at the bottom where you can take the S Pen out with a little push of the pen. And the pen easily slides out and then can also be reinserted later when not in use.